Hello, I'm Anna Schwetz, CEO of Teachers Arts Management, and I have some exciting news for you. The deadline for 20th Arte Laguna Prize, one of the most prestigious art contests in the world, has been extended to September 10th. Finalists will have an incredible opportunity to exhibit their work in Venice in the iconic Arsenale Nord and connect with curators, collectors, and galleries from all over the globe. The contest is open to artists working in painting, sculpture installation, photography, video art and short films, performance, environmental and land art, urban and street art, artistic design, digital graphics, and cartoon. Why should you apply? Your work will be reviewed by a professional international jury. There are special prizes, residencies, and festival invitations. You'll gain global visibility, and it's open to everyone with no age or nationality restrictions. And of course, a gift from us. Use promo code TEACHERS25 and get €20 discount for your application fee. One more time, the deadline is September 10th. Apply now and show your art to the world in Venice.